ทำอะไรกับพี่
โอเคเปรี้ยวอยู่นะ Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Earlier on, I made this 30-day zero waste challenge calendar on my blog, and I'm so happy that some of you really like it. So in order to amplify that, I've chosen 5 of my favorite zero waste tips that we can all do. There's no need to buy any expensive equipment, expensive fancy coffee cup, fancy, plastic free stuff. And these tips we can do today, right now, starting anywhere. My first tip is just say no. I mean, technically saying no is free, right? So I say no to plastic bags, I say no to straws, I say no to packs of sugar that I don't need in Tang, and I say no to random testers that people shove under my nose every day when I walk in the street. Have this mindset that, you know what, I'm not responsible for the shit or rubbish that you give me. I'm not wasting it, I'm not going to throw it away if I don't take it. So tip 2, it's my absolute favorite. That is to go half naked in the gym. So guys go topless and girls, it's time to flash out your booty shorts and sports bra. I may sound like a creeper, but the thing is, with the sportswear that we wear every single day, it's mostly made of polyester. Polyester is a wonderful fabric for sportswear, but at the same time it's made of coal and petroleum and basically no different from plastics. The good thing about polyester is that it's strong, it's durable, it's resistant to abrasion. It doesn't absorb moisture, so it dries quickly, and it also doesn't shrink. So overall, it's a very good fabric for sports activity. But downside is that every single time we wash polyester, it sheds microplastics, and the microplastics are so small that usually nothing can contain it. So these microplastics go down the drain into our ocean. You might not see it, but they're there. And the reason why people say that the ocean is full of plastics is not only because there are plastic bags that we can see in the ocean, but also because it's full of microplastics that we cannot see. My theory is that if you wear less, you wash less, and then less microplastics into the ocean. And also you can wear less to show off your hard-earned body in the gym. Hey guys, so I actually finished my workout half naked, or a more appropriate of saying that is topless. So it actually takes a lot of courage to go topless, I know, but it's totally doable. Remember to put your top back on right after your workout, or else you'll catch a cold like what I did yesterday, because I kept sneezing right after my workout. My third tip is get your coffee lid free, or request a mug, or if you're fancy, bring your own cup. So if you live in Hong Kong, you will notice that there are 2 types of coffee places. One type that serves coffee in mugs, and another type serves coffee in paper cups. Now before you blame the latter, know that in Hong Kong there are 2 types of license for, for coffee places. I might not be super precise, but that's the general gist of it. That is, there's one type of license that allows coffee places to serve things in mugs that allows people to dine in their dedicated area, whereas another type has takeaway license, meaning literally they only offer takeaway, so they cannot offer you anything that allows or seem like that you can dine in that area. You might ask that why do they have a dedicated space that seems like people can dine in the area? That's because the mall they're in allow them to decorate the space in a way that looks like customers can dine in, so that the mall can retain more customers inside. Now my 4th tip is to pat your toner on your face using your hands instead of cotton pads. Your face needs that toner, not your cotton pads, right? Cotton pads absorbs a lot of the product, so you might find that using cotton pads your skin absorbs the moisture faster. That's probably because there's less toner that goes on to your face and it evaporates faster. That kind of make it seem like your face absorbed the moisture faster. Now my 5th tip is don't buy that pair of jeans, especially if it's light blue and distressed. Or don't buy denim. It doesn't matter, it's jeans, it's skirt, it's shirt, and it's a top. Don't buy it. I mentioned it on my blog, and I'm going to reiterate again that jeans or denim are extremely polluting to make. Now the first thing is you must understand that if it's blue, it's from the dye indigo, and indigo is a very difficult dye. Now I don't know if it's a chemically correct way of saying it. You must add heavy metal in order to release the color so that it can go on to the fabric, to the garment. The light blue that you see, they're not dyed to be light blue in the first place. They are dyed to be extremely dark in blue color, and then they repeatedly bleach it until it reaches the light color that you see now. So imagine how much bleach is used, how much chemicals is released into the rivers without any regulation. And the last part being distress. No one makes a garment that looks broken, that looks torn. All these torn marks or worn marks are made post-production. There's so much chemicals that is required, or so much processes that is harmful to the workers in the factory, that ultimately produces that piece of light blue distressed denim that you buy. So these are my 5 favorite zero waste tips that I think you can do today for free immediately. So I hope you like these tips, and I hope you find them useful. If you like more of these videos, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe. So until then, I'll see you next time.